Blizzard Fox demands cuddles, and Blizzard Fox gets what he wants. Look at him. He deserves all the cuddles, though. Yes. What'd you hear? What'd you hear? Such a good boy. Yeah. Blizzard's not a brat. He's a lover boy. Huh. Is he a lover boy? Is he a sweet Blizzard Fox? He just knows what he wants. And there's a waving. Excuse me, that's mine. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. He says, no stop. No stopping allowed. Can I stop? Can I stop petting you? Huh? No? Okay, okay. Not allowed to stop. Stuck here forever, everybody. Send help. Somebody send help. I'm being held hostage by a fox. I'm being held hostage. The perpetrator is extremely fluffy. He's extremely fluffy. Please send help. Yes, please send help. I'm being tortured. Can I stop? Can I stop? No? Not allowed? Okay. Okay, okay. My pet. Not doing it right? I'm not doing it right? How do I do it? What do I do now? What do I do now? What do you want? I don't know what you want. Okay, okay, okay. Blizzard, you are something. You are something else. I don't know what, but you're something. Certainly not a brat, though. Certainly not. Oh my, oh my. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. You can't bite the hand that pets you. He says, oh yes, I can. If you're not doing it right, I will. I got you, buddy. Yes, I've got you. Look at all those spotty little feet. Look at all those spotty little feet. I think that this has turned into wrestling. I don't think I'm petting anymore. Are we wrestling? Are we wrestling? Is that what we're doing? We're wrestling? Are we wrestling, huh? his floppy tail. Look at that big floppy tail. It's so fluffy. Oh my God, it's so fluffy. It's so fluffy. It's so fluffy. There's one thing I know, Blizzard. You'd be prepared if we had a blizzard. Yes, you would. You wouldn't be cold at all. In fact, I think I'd come out here and snuggle you. Yes, sir. Got my hand? All right, I gotta go clean. I gotta go clean. I gotta go clean. Everybody wants breakfast. Yep, you gotta let me free. I'm sorry. Everybody wants their foods. And I gotta take everybody's poops. Gotta clean up everybody's poops. I'm sorry. I know I'm so mean. How dare I leave you? How can I leave you? I can't, huh? He says, I'm keeping you. I won't let you go. Raven says I can leave anytime. She's fine with it. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go, buddy. I love you too. I love you too. I promise. I promise. I love you too, bud. Say bye. You gotta say bye. You gotta let me go. You gotta let me go. Don't need my watch. You gotta let me go. No teeth kisses. No. No teeth kisses. He says, Mom, but I want to. All right, I gotta go. You gotta let me go. This is not letting me go. This is not letting me go.